Hello and welcome to the Treasured Page. I'm Melanie and this is our quiet crafting space. Today we're going to have a look at the Build a Journal project for June, and this will allow you to continue with the monthly projects to help you build and start upon the second signature of our year-long journal project. We're building a journal to be used in 2024. So this project for June is going to be called Summer House. We're going to be making pages that are shaped like a house. And what we're going to do is just one page. So one sheet of standard photocopy paper. You can stain it with tea or coffee and you can fold it in half. It could be a decorative piece of paper in the same size, and it could be something like this. It could be decorative on either side, and again, you would fold it up. You don't need this. This is an example. So it could either be this or it could be this. You may want your ruler here. You can eyeball this, but let's just, for a bit of symmetry's sake, I'm just folding that bit back to get my center point there, so I know that that's where the peak of my roof is going to be. So you know where you're going, and we can cut it to make a roof shape on one side, and then we just take it and roughly do that. So there we are. Okay, you're then going to be left with a house. So this is a page. It'll be a shorter page in the journal because you've just taken some of it off. It's a lovely house shape, but it's also a page. From here, you're going to decorate it. So you might want to put a line of trim there, put some windows, put a door in, really decorate it up how you like. And then you could do the same on the back. And on the inside, you could do a nice collage, or you may like to put in the decorative piece of paper, and maybe that's the inside of the house, and you could do the wallpaper and things like that. And for this project, you're just making one house page, which will be an insert to go into the journal. So you're going to decorate two surfaces of this page because you've got four. You've got the front, the back there, this one and this one. It may be that you decorate this one and this one, so when it goes into the journal, and it'll appear like this. So it will be, the house will be decorated there, then you'll be able to turn it over and perhaps have a collage on the inside with something interesting, and then further back you'll probably want to have the other house shape there. So that will be, these two pieces will be two houses. They can be two different ones. You don't have to do the peak like that. You could have a flat roof, but that will look like a tag. But you are decorating two houses onto this page, so it's a page insert of houses. It'll look similar to this. This is more like a tag, so I've deliberately done the roof like that for a bit of interest. So think about the windows, think about the roof, think about the door. This was an altered envelope, so I've got a picture there, nothing to stop you cutting out, having a lovely decorative picture behind, and then on the back you could put a collage or a pocket and hide it. So that could be quite fun to do that. So it'll open out, it'll become part of the journal. You could just put a collage or something on the back. So that's that idea. I've also been inspired by this paper bag, so you could even do a row of houses or wonky cottages or something a little bit funny or slightly off-centered. You could really go to town. So I'm going to show a video on how I'm going to tackle this. That'll be the next video that comes up on YouTube, but this is just the basic idea to give you some inspiration. It's going to be an insert of a house on this side and a house on the back. You could decorate it on this one as well. This could come and live as an insert inside the signature, and then you'll have the house front there, so it'll appear like that, and as you come further round you'll then see that. Now that could just be a nice collage, and then when it closes you'll see the house there. It may be that you prefer to have the house decorated there, gives the option of being able to have that within the journal as you turn the pages, and you'll see the house as you come to it first, but it also will look really good as your signature front.
So it could look really good there, front and back with two houses, and then this would be the rest of your signature moving forward, and you'd see the house there. So lots of ideas just to have a go to make a house and to then decorate it on the front and the back. You could be really fun and make it the same house, but that's the back of the house, and that's the front of the house, and that's the inside of the house with the decor. So the project is called Summer House, and it is a house page insert to start off the second signature of our journal. If you were just making a one signature journal, this would be quite fun to start the journal off as your very first page on your very first signature. Okay guys, so I hope that that's some inspiration. I will be putting out a video of how I'm going to tackle mine, and then we can have a look in more in depth of how we could decorate it and things like that. But that's the idea for you to go away today, have a little think about. So as we go through over the weekend, I'll be putting out more ideas. So thanks for watching, and above everything else, just slow down and make crafting time for you. Bye bye now.